Happy Monday. Today, Miss Garcia is going to read you a story. And before she reads you the story, we're going to review the parts of the book. This is the story Miss Garcia is going to read. This is called The Front Cover. Can everybody say front cover? This is the title of the book, My 5 Senses. And the author is Ackley. Remember, the author is the person that writes the words. So let's sing our song. The author writes the words. The author writes the words. Hi-ho, did you know the author writes the words? And who paints these beautiful pictures in the story? The illustrator. Good job. The illustrator paints the pictures. The illustrator paints the pictures. Hi-ho, did you know the illustrator paints the pictures? All right, and on the side of the book, this is called the spine. Can you touch a book and say spine? And then this is the back cover of the book. This is the back of the book, the back cover. And these numbers right here with this is called the barcode. All right, so let's review the parts of the book really quick. Front cover, title, spine, back cover, and barcode. Now Miss Garcia is going to read the story. My 5 senses. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my mouth. I can touch with my fingers. I do this with my senses. I have 5 senses. When I see the sun or the frog, or my baby sister, I use my sense of sight. I am seeing. So can you blink your eyes? That is what we see with. All right. When I hear a drum or fire engine or a bird, I use my sense of hearing. I am hearing. When I smell soap or a pine tree or cookies just out of the oven, I am using my sense of smell. So what do you smell with? Go ahead and touch. What do you smell with? If you touched your nose, good job. Kiss your brain. When I drink milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting. When I touch a kitten or a balloon or water, I use my sense of touch. I am touching, and we touch with our hands. Good job. Sometimes I use all my senses at once. Sometimes I only use one. I often play a game with myself. I guess, how many senses am I using at the time? When I look at the moon and the stars, I use one sense. I am seeing. When I laugh and play with my puppy, I use all 4 senses. I see, I hear, smell, and touch. When I bounce a ball, I use 3 senses. I hear it, I see it, and I touch it. Sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another, but each sense is very important to me because it makes me aware. To be aware is to see all there is to see. Hear all there is to hear. Smell all there is to smell. Taste all there is to taste. Touch all there is to touch. Wherever I go, whatever I do, every minute of the day, my senses are working. They make me aware. All right, now I want you to talk to your parent, your brother, your sister, and tell them, why are our 5 senses important?